The bright celestial object you see here was just clicked with my mobile camera. So what do you think this object is? If you guess it is the moon, then it's definitely not. It's the planet Venus. Venus is often called Earth's twin because they're similar in size and structure, but Venus has extreme surface heat and a dense, toxic atmosphere. Venus's orbit lies closer to the Sun than the Earth's, meaning that it always appears close to the Sun and is lost in the Sun's glare much of the time. It is observable for a few months each time it reaches greatest separation from the Sun, moments referred to as greatest elongation. These apparitions repeat roughly once every 1.6 years. On these occasions, Venus is so bright and conspicuous that it becomes the third brightest object in the sky after the Sun and Moon. It is often called the morning star or the evening star. So why Venus is so bright now? Venus's brightness depends on two factors: its closeness to the Earth, and its phase. Its phase varies depending on its position relative to the Earth. When it passes between the Earth and Sun, for example, the side that is turned towards the Earth is entirely unilluminated, like a new moon. Conversely, when it lies opposite to the Earth in its orbit, passing almost behind the Sun, it appears fully illuminated, like a full moon. Venus reaches its brightest when it is still a crescent, with less than half of its disk illuminated. This is because it is much closer to the Earth during its crescent phases than at other times. As a result, during evening apparitions, Venus reaches maximum brightness a few days after it is at greatest separation from the Sun, which always coincides with it showing half phase. Conversely, during morning apparitions, Venus reaches maximum brightness a few days before it is at greatest separation from the Sun. Venus will reach its greatest brightness in June evening apparition. It will be shining brightly at magnitude -4.5.
Venus taken through telescope with different ISO level.
These images are taken in different days of evening showing the brightest Venus, and above lies the red planet Mars.
You can witness the brightest Venus for another few weeks at evening time in western direction.